Community Cuppas is our initiative where we get people to come together, to chat, to share their views on how investors can best involve their communities in local investments that might be happening, all over a cup of tea and a few biscuits as well. I'm Carly, I'm an engagement lead at Involve. Involve is the UK's leading public participation charity, so we aim to work with organisations to centre the voices of everyday people in decision making. Getting people together on a local level as well as a national level to share their views, that's what makes it special for me.
We're running these events here across the North of Tyne to understand how people within these communities want to be involved in investment decisions that impact and affect them. We've heard from a really wide range of participants, heard lots of different views about how people want to be engaged.
We've had some very interesting questions, we've had some challenging questions. This is an important first step in greater participation in decisions that are made in the North of Tyne.
So over the last couple of days we've done 3 community cuppas, so one in Northumberland, one in North Tyneside and one in Newcastle, and basically what we're doing is bringing local people together to get them to give us their views on how investors should invest in local areas, who should be involved and how to make those investments work best for everyone.
What I want potential investors to do is to ask questions but make sure that they're not biased, make sure that they've thoroughly tested them.
We had quite different discussions in 3 different areas, so it's quite different demographics and different people who came along, but what came out of it for me was that people feel that their voices should be listened to at all different stages in the process.
It's very engaging, interactive, and I was able to express my opinion without any hesitation.
This process has been quite innovative in terms of how we've recruited participants and brought people together. So we've kind of combined different approaches. So we've on one hand gone out to community groups in the local areas that we've been targeting and seeing how we can get people from those groups to come along. But then we've also involved the Sortition Foundation to be able to recruit through them, as well as being able to reach out through social media, through Facebook groups, through flyering locally, so that we've kind of got different recruitment methods to bring people together.
I'm a member of quite a well-established community group, so we're here to sort of represent just ordinary people and try and give them a voice. What was really surprising was how most people are of the same mind. I think, people are very fair, people are reasonable, and they all want the best for the North East.
The first thing we're doing with the data is writing it all up and trying to synthesise everything across the 3 areas, put that content into a set of guidelines that we're creating for institutional investors. And the idea is that they've got a kind of a go-to resource of how to do good community engagement.
It's really good to see this type of event taking place, to actually explore local issues, but also, more importantly, understand how people want to be consulted and why they want to be consulted.
We've had a really diverse range of people and voices come into the room, and we're really excited to see where this goes next and what potential there is with this project.